How to switch to action mode while taking videos on your new iPhone 14. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can switch to action mode while taking videos on your iPhone 14. So if you didn't already know, iPhone 14 has come out with a feature named action mode where whenever you are taking videos, the videos will be super steady. So it is also known as the steady mode. So you can simply call it action mode as Apple has called it that. Now in order to turn on action mode, what you'll have to do is simply first of all open your camera. After that, tap on the option video. Now once you've done that, on the top left corner of your screen you can see two different options. The top left one is the flash, and just right to it you can see the icon, which is the action mode icon. Simply tap on it and then it will say action mode. Now whenever you are taking videos, the videos will become super steady and it will look really good. So that was basically how you turn on action mode while taking videos on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.